You're watching Open House NYC.
Pets are an awesome part of our lives, so it's no surprise that more buyers now consider the needs of their pups a priority when searching for a new home. And no one understands this better than our partners at Coldwell Banker.
Hi, I'm Maria Carmi DeSagan. I'm a sales associate with Coldwell Banker, Jersey City, and this is my dog, Duke. I've been a dog lover all my life, but I've had to put off owning a dog because owning a condo, I didn't have any space for it. So when it was time to look for a home, I knew I was gonna have a dog at some point, so one of the major considerations was to have the backyard, the gated front yard. When we finally bought a home, we ended up buying a single family with a fenced backyard and a place where the dog can stretch out his legs and run free. As a real estate professional, I've definitely seen a spike in home buyers considering their pets' needs when buying a home. Much like people considering their children's needs, they want to make sure, is the condo a pet-friendly building? Is there a park nearby? Are there plenty of dog walkers in the area?
When I was choosing my new home, my dog's needs were first and foremost on my mind. He's going to be a big dog, so I needed a home with lots of space.
I wanted to find a place that was near a park and where the building was pet-friendly. Not only just, that they allow pets, but that a lot of people have pets and enjoy them there.
If you're looking for a new home with your pet's needs in mind, here's some things to think about. First off, will this be a home your pet will be comfortable in? If you have an older pet, maybe a home without stairs will be best. If you have a large dog, a 400-square-foot apartment may not be the best fit. You'll definitely want to check out the nearby parks to make sure they have grass or astroturf and not dirt. These are things you may not think about at the time, but in the long run, it'll keep your rugs and furniture cleaner. And another important thing, you're going to want to examine the outdoor space. Is the yard fenced in? Is it safe? Is the balcony big enough? And when you're ready to start your search for a new home, you'll want to consider a realtor who understands you and your pet's needs.
This is my dog, Molly. When I was looking for a home, I was looking for a home that was suitable for myself as well as for my pet.
With a big dog, we needed a home that was close to a park that I could take him out to exercise.
There's nothing like coming home after a long day and being greeted by your furry friend.
Samantha makes my house like the perfect home.
In 2015, Coldwell Banker made a pledge to find adoptable dogs a loving home to call their own. Their commitment to man's best friend continues with the help of AdoptAPet.com. To find out more about the Homes for Dogs project, visit ColdwellBanker.com.